So the first homework is write a C++ language to control a steering motor by using push button. And this is my 4 topic. The first one is decision and improvement integration controller system that abilities process and operation of a superior motor rotational direction and speed using basic push buttons. So the second is text declaration. The hardware components have the component have the 1, 2, 3, 4, have a 7, and the first is Arduino Uno, just have a 1, and the certification is this, and the proportion is mean controller net. And the second is sentimental, just have the 1, and the ULN 2003 the driver board, and the technical push buttons just have 2 or 3, and the resistors just have 2 or 3, and the Jasper well, and the power supper. So the software, the development environment have the point for Arduino IDE 2, and the programming language just C++, and the key numbers button in on external directives request, and the software requirements is mean controller loop continuous monitoring of button states, and the mirror drive login has 8 steps. Decrements generation, improve protein deburring, and age detection on non-risk state adjustment direction, speed, and running test prediction. And the third is design and implementation. The first is pin mapping configuration. So the pin 8 to the ULN 2003 IN1, and the pin 9 put the IN2, and the pin 10 put the IN3, the pin 11 put the IN4, pin 2 put the button 1, pin 3 put the button 2, and the pin 4 put the button 3. 5V put the ACC, and black GND put the GND. So in text 5V proper recommended for matter integer pull up resistors interbat for buttons. Provide grounding between all components. 2 key convincement. So the one is its stem request deflation, have put this to the data, and 2 is button on deburring function, put the for button in the data. So, and the last is the mental controller loading, put the void data to the IDE. So this is my homework video. So this is the Arduino data, and this is showed the work. So you put turn on, you can see, and turn off the light, turn on and turn off. The light is not have just the button and this and this and Arduino Uno. So this is my work, and the conclusion object successfully meet 1. Development of self functional deeper audio controller system. 2. Improvement interface button basic user interface. 3. Achieve the process speed and direction controller. 4. Ensure the system reliably through deployment. 5. Created a motor maintainable code structure. So this is my object successfully meet. And 2. Technical structure have the 4. 1 is a buttonless, headless where operation contains, and 2 is successfully easy to detect with and traditional efforts. 3 errors is object speed requesting analysis. 4 is detection compare code comments and structure. So this is my work. Thank you to listening.